गुरुभावं व्यञ्जयन्ती भाति श्रीजयतीर्थवाक् प्रणमत्कामधेनुं च भजत्सुरतरूपमं श्रीभावबोधकृत्पाद चिन्तामणिमुपास्महे। पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे। अन्नपूर्णे सदा पूर्णे शङ्करप्राणवल्लभे ज्ञानवैराग्यसिद्ध्यर्थं भिक्षां देहि च पार्वती। हयग्रीव हयग्रीव हयग्रीवेति यो वदेत् तस्य निस्सरते वाणी जन्नुकन्या प्रवाहवत्। राकाचन्द्रसमानकान्तिवदना नाकाधीराजस्तुता मूकानामपि कुर्वती सुरधुनी नीकाश वाक्वैभवं। श्रीकाञ्चीनगरी विहाररसिका शोकापहन्त्री सताम् एका पुण्यपरम्परा पशुपते आकारिणी राजते। सत्यं विधातुं निजभृत्यभाषितं व्याप्तिं च भूतेषु अखिलेषु चात्मनः अदृश्यत अत्यद्भुतरूपमुद्भवं स्तम्भे सभायां न मृगं न मानुषं नरसिंह न मृगं न मानुषं। My humble obeisance to the Lord of Vrindavan and Guruvayur, Shri Krishna, to Shri Rama, the Lord of Ayodhya, to Ma Lakshmi, Ma Saraswati and Ma Sita, to Mahadeva and Ma Kali, to Siddhivinayak Maharaj and Subramanya Swami, to the exemplary devotee Shri Hanumanji, and to all the devotees of the Lord who are listening to the Bhagavatam. By the grace of the Lord, we start with the traditional prayer. Samsara sagare magnam deenam mam करुणानिधे कर्म मोह गृहीतांगम मामुद्धर भवार्णवात् श्रीमद् भागवताख्योऽयं प्रत्यक्ष कृष्ण एव हि स्वीकृतोऽसि मया नाथ मुक्त्यर्थं भवसागरे मनोरथो मदीयोऽयं सफलः सर्वथा त्वया निर्विघ्नेनैव कर्तव्यो दासोऽहं तव केशवा शुकरूपा प्रबोधज्ञा सर्वशास्त्र विशारदा एतत् कथा प्रकाशेन मदज्ञानं विनाशया वन्दे नन्दव्रजस्त्रीणां पादरेणुम् अभीक्ष्णशः यासां हरिकथोद्गीतं पुनाति भुवनत्रयम्. By the grace of the Lord, on your behalf, on my own, we thank all the patrons of Kshatrupasana who have been supporting the ashram and making it possible for us to have the katha on the Zoom day after day, month after month. May the Lord grant all these devotees ayur, arogya, saukhyam, long life, good health and happiness. May they continue to do the noble work which they have undertaken. With this we fall in tune with the divine and sing the Govinda Damodara Stotra. Agre kurunam atha pandavanam दुःशासनेना कृतवस्त्रकेशां कृष्ण तदाक्रोशदनं यनाथा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 श्री कृष्ण विष्णु मधुकैटभारे भक्तानुकम्पिन् भगवन् मुरारे त्राह्यस्व मां केशवलोकनाथा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति 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 वक्तुं समर्थोऽपि न वक्ति कश्चित् अहो जनानां व्यसनाभिमुख्यं जिह्वे पिबस्व जिह्वे पिबस्वामृतं एतदेवा गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति. Again, an old song comes to my mind. Everything is beautiful about the Lord. Sundar Shyam aur Sundar Radha, Sundar Vrindavan, Sundar Murli, Sundar Chunari, Sundar Payal ki dhun. सुंदर अंबर सुंदर बादल सुंदर है बरसात सुंदर दिन जब गैया चराए कान्हा सुंदर रास की रात सुंदर श्याम और सुंदर राधा सुंदर वृंदावन सुंदर मुरली सुंदर चुनरी सुंदर पायल की धुन सुंदर नंद और सुंदर यशोदा सुंदर है सखिया सुंदर वन और सुंदर उपवन सुंदर है कलियां सुंदर श्याम और सुंदर राधा सुंदर वृंदावन सुंदर चुनरी सुंदर मुरली सुंदर पायल की धुन सुंदर कृष्ण प्रेम की धारा सुंदर पायल की धुन सुंदर है प्रभु नाम सुंदर श्याम का नाम तुम ले लो बन जाए सुंदर काम सुंदर श्याम और सुंदर राधा सुंदर वृंदावन सुंदर मुरली सुंदर चुनरी सुंदर पायल की धुन. Did you like the song? It's one of my favorite songs. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Jai Jai Shri Radhe. Before I forget, I have some personal commitment. Tomorrow and day after, we will not be having the katha. I will resume it by God's grace on 9th evening. Kindly make a note because some of you leave halfway through. I'm making this announcement. I have some personal commitment. I'm unable to do the katha tomorrow and day after. So I'll come back on the Zoom on 9th, that is Monday, 7 o'clock. Yesterday, I was telling you how greed enters even noble minds. Greed and lust, kamayesha, krodayesha, lobha, moha, mada, matsarya, all our 6 internal enemies. Don't be afraid of external enemies. We have enough inside. Civil war is going on all the time. I'm not afraid of external enemies. It's only the internal enemies who are hurting me. And when I think of Akrura, someone who rolled in the dust of the feet of the dust of the feet of the Lord, that person is hungering after money. What is the money compared to the Lord, who is himself Chintamani? He is the boon granting gem. Anything you ask him, he gives you. Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. He's got 4 hands. That Chaturbhuja Narayana is his close nephew, and yet you had Akrura falling for it. God is teaching us a lesson. Sometimes, don't mistake me, our own sister steals our jewelry. It happens. Sometimes our children steal our money. It happens. How do you treat them? Just call them and tell them, I know you have it. Just acknowledge. That is enough. That is enough. Somebody you know for years together has been working for you, and suddenly that person takes away your jewelry. What can you do? If you tell the world will laugh at you. What a fellow you kept for all these years. The world doesn't sympathize with him. The world doesn't sympathize with you. The world sympathizes with the underdog. And you make a big fool of yourself. I'm reminded of Antony and Cleopatra. Antony is running madly after Cleopatra. And one of his dear lieutenants called Enobarbus leaves him and joins the opposite camp. When he comes to meet Antony, the way Antony treats him is something superb. Enobarbus has taken a lot of money. He says, take it and go. Take it. My dear listeners, but then Enobarbus can't survive. He dies. According to him, he says, I don't need a piece of rope or poison. Conscience will do it. The mind will do it. When you have a biting conscience, stinging conscience, that will kill you. That's enough. You don't need any other means for suicide. The Bhagavata is telling us, the Lord calls Akrura and says, Keshavu Dwarakamitya. Before that, he comes back to Dwaraka and all the funeral obsequies are performed. After that, Akrura and Kritavarma, when they come to know that Shatavarma, that they had incited Shatadharma to commit the crime, they run away. Akrura runs away. And when he runs away, there are ill omens, bad signs in Dwaraka. Everybody says that's because the good man is gone. Bhagavata says the Lord is there in Dwaraka. He is Punya Shravana Kirtanaha. How can bad things happen when Krishna is there? That means somebody has done something wrong. That is how we would conclude. But then where does Akrura go? Akrura goes to Kashi. And he lives there. In Kashi, because he's carrying the money, a lot of wealth, every day, 170 pounds of gold. I don't know how much it means. I must ask some jeweler. 170 pounds of gold. So what is the title that he gets in Kashi? Dhanapati. How do you like it? When suddenly people start giving dana, find out from where the money comes, like Akrura. From somewhere it comes. Wrong source for money. The CBI is after. That is how Akrura comes to be known as Dhanapati. He is performing big, he's giving lots of charity and he's performing big yagas without gold and silver. Everybody is talking about it. Now, the Lord calls him, sends for him, and he tells him, Akrura, from the beginning, I know that the money is with you. How do you like this statement? Very simple. No allegation, no accusation, no criticism. Akrura, from the beginning, I knew that it is with you because you are a trustworthy person. How do you like that? You kill him with kindness. That is the way to treat somebody who has ditched you. That is the way. That's the behavioral pattern of the Bhagavatam. Mostly, when you have a very senior servant, maybe because of some circumstances, he steals something. You insult him in the presence of everybody. He dies of shame. Just call him and say, it's okay, it's okay. Now you may leave. That's all. That is the way to treat. That is the way to treat. And the Lord is telling him, Janardana says, calling him, I know. Semantako mani shriman vidita purvameva naha. Purvameva. Apave teriyo. Hum pehle se hi jante hain. Purvameva. I knew from the beginning that you have the Semantaka mani. Doesn't matter. Satrajit trusted you. So we also trust you with the And remember, Satyajit doesn't have sons. Satyabhama is his daughter. So he must have left it for his grandsons. So please look after. Anyhow, the jewel should remain in your care. Look at the Lord's stability. I don't want it. But I have one request. The naughtiness of the Lord. Even my brother Balrama does not believe that I did not steal it. I'm sad about Krishna, that he is suspected by Balrama himself. So for heaven's sake, show this money and tell him that it was with you all the time. This is human nature. Our dear and near don't trust us sometimes. They don't trust us. So the Lord is saying, please, darshayasva mahabhaga bandhunam shantimavaha. Hey Mahabhaga, oh fortunate one, please show it. Take it out from your clothes, somewhere you've hidden it. Show it to my brother and all my bandhus, because they think that I am a world famous thief and I must have stolen it. This is the only way you can wipe out my bad name, my ignominy. You understand? Ill fame. All this has to be removed only by you. Thus, the great Akrura, thus shamed by the Lord's words. He showed the money. Everybody knew that all the time it was with Akrura and not with the Lord. End of this episode. Bhagavata says, some good people also in the world have a bad name for no reason. Some karma, people spoil your name. Why, we don't know. If you read this particular episode, then all that ill fame will be gone. Your fame will come back to you. Yes, Tvetat Bhagavatah Ishwarasya Vishnu Viryadhyam Vrajinaharam Sumangalam Cha. He who listens to this, Akhyanam Patati Shrunoti, he who reads and he who listens, Anusmaretva, or remembers, Dushkirtim, Duritam, sin and bad reputation. Apohya, driving it away, Yati Shantim. When you lose your good reputation and you're forced to be called sinful, you can't sleep. You may be a good person, but all the time people are talking ill of me. People are talking ill of me. That is what people will say. So that will go away after you read Semantakamani Upakhyana. This is where, please bow down. A very important message from the Bhagavatam. After which, there are some episodes which I'll have to skip. And we come to a very interesting episode, which is called Krishna teasing Rukmini. It's a lighter episode. I thought I will try to complete it today. Just a word of introduction. This is about householders. Remember Shukadeva, a confirmed celibate, talking about householders, like Hanumanji talking about Rama and Sita. What is the episode? Sometimes, you have your married people. The husband is a little naughty person. So suddenly he wants to tease you. And he tells you, oh, you're looking so lovely, even in your 40s. As lovely as you were on the day of the wedding. But look at me, I'm growing bald. I'm graying. I have wrinkles on my face. I'm not half as handsome as you are beautiful. But don't worry. When you were in college, you had a lot of friends, boyfriends, You didn't have friends, but they were your admirers. They were after you. And you rejected them. They're still waiting for you. They're still all lined up. I have no objection. You can go and marry anybody you want. What does the good woman do? She breaks down. How can you say this after so many years of wedding? But this is the way. The Lord is teaching us. Why does this happen? There's a little subtle point. Mother Rukmini is lovely. You know she's lovely. There's no doubt about it. Deva Mayami Veeramohinim. That is how she was described. This Devi for a while thought, I am the dearest of the Lord's wives. This little ego was there because she's beautiful. She's the princess of the highest order. This little ego was there. The Lord wanted to cleanse it. He wanted her to understand that He had bestowed His grace by marrying her, that she did not deserve Him, as he wanted to impress upon her that he was more than what she deserved, because He's the best of the best. This ego had to be removed from her. It's a very sensitive scene and so lovely that I'm sure my brothers and sisters who are listening to it will improve their homes with more love and affection and kindness. All homes are based on little touches of love. Hundreds of times I tell my audience, please turn to your wife and say, I love you. You have not said that for a long time. You may be 80, it doesn't matter. You still can say, I love you. You can continue to love. I have quoted Elizabeth Barrett Browning, love me for love's sake, that we may love on through love's eternity. One doesn't love for the teeth, for the smile, for the eye, for the hair. No, one loves for love's sake. And it continues. I told you, my grandmother had her coffee prepared by my grandfather when there were 6 servants at home. Every morning he'll make coffee and bring. And we used to laugh. Why can't the servant make? Oh, he knows how much decoction I like. He knows how much sugar I want. We little children, we were shocked. I said, how could this happen? That is love, my dear listener. And today, 2 IT people coming back from office, and the girl says, darling, get me a cup of coffee. Bearer samjha humko. What do you think I am? I'm earning more than you are. Why can't you make your coffee yourself? No, my dear, no. Please tell her, she is tired. I will certainly get you a cup of coffee. Go quickly, make a cup of coffee and give it to her. All her life, she will be dependent on you for love. My dear listeners, there is no ego between husband and wife. If there is ego, that marriage will break. There is no doubt about it. Karihichit sukham asinam. I want to create the scene for you. The Lord is known as a sleeping beauty. He's always lying on the serpent couch in heaven, you know. So sukham asinam. Happily, he is reclining on a foam-like pillow. How do you like that? Swalpastam jagat gurum patim paryacharat bhaishmi vyajanena sakhi janai. She's got a fan and she's standing. She makes all her sakhis, all the maids are there around her. She takes the fan herself and she's fanning. As she is doing, suddenly the Lord wants to play with her. How is the house, this beautiful bedchamber of Mother Rukmini? Her quarters, says the Bhagavata, had a beautiful canopy of hanging pearls. Hanging pearls. Effulgent jewelry along the clamps, garlands of jasmine and other flowers. And there was a lattice window. Through the lattice window, the bees had come from the garden and they were humming. They were humming. Now, everywhere there was dhubam, incense burning. And the bees were coming in and the smoke of the incense was going out. Walk-in video, no? You can almost see what is happening. There, the smoke of the fumes of the incense going out. And it was carried from the room to the garden, from the garden to the room. And that is how she's serving. And a huge pillow, lovely pillow is there on which she is reclining. Suddenly, how does she look? Sopachyutam gunayati maninu purabhyam reje anguliya valahya vyajanagrahastha vastranta guda kucha kunkuma shonahara vasa nitambardaya cha paradhya kanchya. Beautiful picture of Mother Rukmini. She is making her anklets jingle and her lovely bangles jingle, and she's got a transparent upper cloth from which you can see the saffron is adorning her bosom. She's got a buxom figure and a slender waist, and she's wearing a priceless girdle. You can imagine how beautiful she is. And with that, she is. You know, sometimes when you're doing something mechanical, your mind is wandering. I am the favorite of the Lord because I'm beautiful. That moment, the Lord says, I will hit you where you are vulnerable. He sits here, my sarvasya chaham hridi sannivishto mattasmriti jnanam apohanam cha. The Lord is seated in the heart, so he knows where ego has arisen. And when ego arises, you have to eradicate it, you have to remove it then and there. Nip it in the bud. Otherwise, it will take gigantic proportions and it will destroy. I'm asking my brothers, when you got married on your honeymoon, you gave a favorite name to your wife. I won't ask you what it is. You know what it is. But after some time, you forget that name. It may be a stupid name. Try to recall it and smile. But then, when you're angry, you will say, hey, Agarwal's daughter. Hey, Ramaswamy's daughter. Hey, Gupta's daughter. Chettiar's daughter. Iyer's daughter. What does it mean? He's angry. You understand? The way he calls you, you know he's angry. From the address, you know he's calling you your father's daughter, not his wife. Do you understand? Rajaputri, the Lord calls her. Oh God, not Priya, not my love, not my darling. Rajaputri, princess, he calls her. राजपुत्री इप्सिता भूपै लोकपाल विभूतिभिः महानुभावै श्रीमद्भिः रूप औदार्य बलोर्जितैः. O princess, you were wooed by so many kings, famous kings, brave kings, handsome kings, rich kings. What did you find? You left all of them and married me. Tan Praptan anarthito hitva chaidyadin smaradurmadan. I carried you away because they were very proud. Datta bratra swapitra cha kasmanno vavrishi asaman. I am not equal to you. Asama. Sama means equal. Asama means unequal. I am not worthy of you. And who am I? Run away. Ranchod. My name is Ranchod. I ran away from the battlefield. Who am I? Rajabhyo Bibhyata Subhru Samudram Sharanam Gata Balavat Bhikrita Dveshan Prayastyaktanapasanan. I have left everything and gone. That means I'm not even a brave fellow. Not only that, I have no money. Nishkinchana. Pauper, penniless. Not only that, all my bhaktas are also penniless. Sudama, you want to know? Sudama. Huh? Nishkinchana vayam shashvat, nishkincha janapriya, deva hoina bhikari, pandharice var khari, pandharice var khari, pandharice var khari. I am Nishkinchana and Nishkinchana janapriya. I have nothing, my dear. And yet, I feel that people should marry equals. Equal in beauty, equal in status, equal in capacity. Yayor atmasamam vittam janma aishwarya kriti bhavaha tayor vivaho maitricha na uttama adhamayor kvachit. It should not be uttama and adhama. The best and the worst should not come together. We are the best and the worst. You are the best, and I'm the worst. I think you made the wrong choice. And who am I? Vrita vayam gunairhina. People call me a bad fellow. They say I have no character. They say I run away from home. They say I don't have money. All this is said against me. Bhikshu bhishlagita mudha. Oh yes, I am praised only by the beggars. Chaidya, Shalva, Jarasandha, Danta, Vakradayo, Nrupa, all the villains put together. You have a cabinet of villains here. You understand? Mamadvishanti Vamoru, Rukmi Chapi Tavagraja. Not only all of them, but your brother also hates me. Tesham Viryamadandhanam Driptanam Smayanuttaye. You know why I carried you? because I wanted to bring down their pride. I have no interest in wife, children, wealth. That is the Lord, isn't it? He doesn't have interest in wife, children, and wealth. As soon as he said this, Mother Rukmini, who thought she was the best beloved of the Lord, suddenly he had vanquished her pride and he stopped speaking. Darpagna uparamat. Darpagna means one who kills pride. The moment he said that, her lips started trembling, her eyes started watering, her body started swaying. Iti trilokesha pates tadatmanaha priyasya devi ashruta purvam apriyam. He has never spoken such harsh words before. Ashrutya bhita. Having heard this, she became frightened. Rudijatave patush. She started trembling. Chintam durantam rudati jagama. She began to cry. And when she cried, what happened? She takes her foot, the toe. Pada sujatena nakaruna shriya bhuvan likanti ashrubir anjana sitaihi. Her tears are falling with the collyrium on the ground. With that water, she is writing with her toe. She doesn't know what to talk. Asinchanti kunkumarushitastano tasthavado mukhya ati dukkha ruddhavak. She could not speak. And her tears are washing the saffron on her bosom. Tasya, when he was seeing her, suddenly she fell down. How? Fainted. She couldn't bear it. He's never spoken harsh words till now. Tasya sudukha bhayashoka vinashta buddhe hastat chalat valayato vyajanam papata. Her hand was trembling and the fan fell down. Dehascha viklavadhiya, because her mind was disturbed. Sahasaiva muhyan rambheva vayu vihato pravikirya keshan. What a graphic description, She falls down. How? Like a plantain tree, vayu vihato, in the storm. When there's a strong wind blowing in the storm, how would the banana tree fall down? She fell down like that, and her hair was scattered everywhere, all around her face. What happened, my dear brothers? God forbid, but if your wife faints, you don't say, Aya, please pick her up. No, sir, no. Be gallant, be valiant, be chivalrous. Go and pick her up. She's my love, my darling. And with your hands, you pick her up. What does the Lord do? You have two hands, Vaisa. My Lord has four hands. Chaturbhujaha, says the Bhagavata. With four hands, he picked her up. Tadrishtva Bhagavan Krishna Priyaya Prema Bandhanam Hasya Praudhim Ajanantyaha Karunaha So Anvakam Pata. He trembled. Oh God, I carried the joke too far. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it. Paryankat avaruhyashu. He quickly jumped out of the bed. Tam uthapya chaturbhujaha. I don't think you need translation, no? He carried her with all the four arms. Keshan samuhya. All the hair was scattered, no? So he put it back in place. Keshan samuhya tatvaktram pramrajat padmapanina. What a lovely, delicate touch of married love. My dear listeners, this is where I find the Bhagavata comes alive, and makes us understand the small touches of love. This is what you need. You don't need to write a big poem of love. These small touches, one touch, one handshake, that is enough to tell the woman that you love her all her life. These are the things that the Lord is teaching us. Yatyat acharati shrishtaha. The Lord is teaching us how to behave with our wife and teaching our wife how not to be too proud. Both ways the lesson is there. Pramrujat padmapanina. I hope you know the Lord's hand is like lotus. So with that lotus-like hand, he is touching her face. No, my dear, no. Ashlishya bahuna rajan ananya vishayam satim santvayamasa santvajnyaha kripaya kripanam prabhu hasya praudhi Brahmachittam atadarham satam gati. He is the satam gati. He is the resort. He is the resort. He is the ashraya of all those who are good people. She didn't understand that he had carried the joke too far. And so he says, Mama Vaidarbhi, Vaidarbhi, daughter of Vidarbha. No, no, my dear, Asuyeta, please don't be displeased. Jane tvam mat parayanam. You are totally devoted to me. Tvatvata shrutukamena shvelya acharitam angane. Oh, dear lady, I was joking with you because it was long since you told me I love you. Sometimes men are naughty, you know. She's so busy with her household work. And he says, Why didn't you say, I love you? She says, Where is the time for it? Is this the time to come to the kitchen when I'm busy with my household work and the servants and the office and everything? Is this the time to say, I love you? But it's long since you said that. This is what the Lord is saying. He has his masculine logic, she has her feminine logic too. Just to tell you, I wanted to listen to good words from you, loving words from you, my dear. Mukham cha prema samrambha spuritadharam ikshitum. I wanted to see your face grow red and your lips tremble and your eyes rain tears. I wanted to see that. That is why I made fun of you and then your sidelong glance of love. It's long since you looked at me like that. And then the knitting of your brow for a frown. Ayam hi paramo labho. The Lord is making a generalization. These lovers' quarrels make husband and wife come close to each other. Griheshu grahamedhinam yan narmair iyate yama priyaya bhamini. Time has to pass with one's beloved in this way. This is the way householder's life should be. She is very clever too. She is Vidarbha's daughter. She wakes up and says, You are right, sir. We are an unequal couple. Where are you and where am I? You are the master of the world, faultless, infallible, spectacular, glorious, gorgeous master of the world, and I'm an ordinary woman. Where are you and where am I? The Lord is now listening to his praise. He's very happy. Oh, she's turned round and she is paying me in my own coin. That is what she's doing. Kwaham guna prakriti ragnagrihita pada. I am bound by the gunas and you are gunatita, my master. I have nothing to be your equal. Your activities are transcendental, master. So also the activities of your followers. Bhumastavehita matho anuye bhavantam. Your activities are transcendental, and those who follow you also, they are also the same. You don't possess anything. That's why you're called Akinchana. Why should you possess anything? Everything belongs to you only, master. I will tell you that you were right and I was wrong. It is you, I want to tell you, who is superior to me. Kanyam shrayeta tava pada saroja gandham agraya sanmukharitam janatapavargam lakshmialayam tu aviganaya gunalayasya martya sadoru bhayamartha vivikta drishte. I like this shloka for two reasons. One is that it's a very melodious shloka. Kanyam shrayeta tava pada saroja gandham. There is a fragrance of your lotus feet. And this has been praised by saints. Janata Pavargam, it gives apavarga, liberation. Lakshmialayam, I like the phrase. Your feet are the residence of Lakshmi. Tu aviganaya gunalayasya martya sadoru bhayam artha vivikta drishte. Who would disregard them, master? Only those who are, everybody who is subject to fear takes shelter under your feet, master. I know your greatness, and I want to tell you that we are ordinary people compared to who you are. The Lord comes out with a response quickly. Sadhvi, Sadhvi, he says, saintly lady, etat shrotu kamaistvam rajaputri pralambhita. Why did I irritate you? Why did I fool you? It's only to listen to these good words. Whatever you want, my lady, you will get that. Yan yan kamaya se kaman, mai akamaya bhamini. That's why I called in my message banquet of boons. He is offering her a banquet of boons. Whatever you want, you will get it, my dear. Santihi ekanta bhaktaya tava kalyani nityada. You're a kalyani, auspicious one. Whatever you want, you will get. Upalambdham pati prema pativratyam chate anaghe. Having known that you are a chaste wife of mine, yat vakyai chalyamana manaya na dhimai apakarshita. Although I was speaking harsh words, you did not allow your mind to stray away from me. Generally, when a husband says harsh words, what does the modern wife say? Get lost. That's all. You and your argument. I have nothing to do with you. Walk out. For Coca-Cola and Limca, they walk out. Why not for an abusive language? This is how the modern marriages break, for flimsy reasons, simple reasons. I came to know that a lady who is a billionaire's wife left her husband just because he had a cup of tea in a roadside tea shop. Can you imagine? Karodpati's daughter. How can my husband drink from a roadside tea shop? To tell you the truth, sometimes the roadside tea shop tea is far better than the five-star tea. To tell you the truth, what is wrong? What is wrong? On the spot, she walked out. A millionaire's daughter. This happens. And he says, although I said the harshest words to you, you did not allow your mind to stray away from me. Ye mam bhajanti dampatye tapasa vratacharyaya kamatmano apavargesham mohitam amamaya. They are the ones who are close to me. I have the power to give them spiritual liberation, and they will be benefited by it. Natvadrishim pranayinim grihinim griheshu pashyami maniniyaha swavivaha kale praptan nrupan naviganayiraho aho me prasthapito dvija upashrita satkathasya. Lady, you're the best queen I have in my Antapura. At a time when so many men were after you, so many eligible men were after you, you just neglected all of them and you sent a confidential messenger to me. How can I forget that, my dear? How can I forget that? When you sent the messenger and I got a little delayed coming to you, you wanted to give up your life. You said, I'll take 100 births, but I will belong only to you and not to Shishupala. Evam saurata salpa sallapair bhagavan jagadishwaraha swarato ramaya reme naralokam vidambayan. The master of the world, the master of the world, who is known for his glory, behaved like a loving husband. Vidambanam. He is imitating Naraloka Vidambanam. That is what he was doing. Tathanya samapi vibhurgriheshu grahavan iva. This is how he treated all those loving women, that is, those jivatmas who were dependent on him. My dear listeners, it is just a simple episode of sentiment and domestic love that the Lord is now placing before us as an ideal married life. Just to tell you that the Bhagavata is topical till today. I want you to tell your children this is how they have to behave. Sometimes your children, your pampered daughter or your spoiled son, both of them are behaving badly. You should advise them. You should advise them to come to the right path and start loving, because marriage bonds are very brittle. A very simple cause can break them, and a simple touch of love can reunite them. That is why I said marriage bonds are very, very delicate, very thinner and more delicate than silken thread. I want you to take this as a permanent lesson for youngsters, particularly after they get married. May the Lord fulfill all your dharmic desires. Please bless me as long as I live. Let me carry this message of faith and grace wherever I go. यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम. Let me remind you, tomorrow and day after I have some personal work, so I will not be able to do the katha tomorrow and day after. That is 7th and 8th. I'll come back on the Zoom to resume the Bhagavatam from 9th Monday. नारायण 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 बोलो नारायण 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 कृष्ण नारायण 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 सत्य नारायण 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 यत्र योगेश्वर कृष्णो यत्र पार्थो धनुर्धरः तत्र श्री विजयो भूतिर्ध्रुवानीतिर्मतिर्मम. Just 1 minute.
Thank you, Ma. Thank
Yes,
you very much.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Radhe Krishna.
Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna.
Thank you, Amma. Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna, Ma.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna. Jai Shri Krishna.
Teju says namaste.
Namaste Teju. Jai Shri Krishna Ma.
Namaste, Teju. Jai Shri Krishna, Ma. Jai Shri Krishna, Ma.
Jai Shri
Jai Shri Krishna Devi.
Jai Shri Krishna, Ma.
Jai Shri Krishna.
Jai Shri Krishna Teju.
Calcutta.
Jai Shri Krishna.
मैं 2 मिनट में मिलाऊं भाई
Jai
है
Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण अम्मा जय श्री कृष्ण तेजू
Jai Shri Krishna.
जय श्री कृष्ण
Jai Shri Krishna.
भाई
जय श्री कृष्ण तेजू माय डार्लिंग
Jai Shri Krishna. We'll meet on Monday.
बाय तेजू बाय अम्मा
Teju, bye. Teju.
Bye. Thank you, Amma.